going on, BGSU educators? Terrence Armitano here, Assistant Director for Online and Summer Academic Programs. And today I wanted to show you how you can get started with a screen recording tool called Camtasia. Now, to do this, if you're on a PC and you are signed into Pulse, which is a way to connect to the BGSU network, first, if you can check that by going to your search window and typing in Pulse. So I am going to sign in right now. It's going to go here in the secondary password, you type in push. And then it's going to send a push notification to my phone if you're using the Duo to do that sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm approving it on my phone right now. And then I'm going to hit approve. Now this will get me in to the BGSU network. What that does is it allows me to access Camtasia from my computer now. So now I'm going to go into the Windows icon and type in software. And there it's going to pull up the software center. From here, I'm going to go ahead and search for Camtasia. There it is. You can click on it. Now, if you are on a PC, you're logged into our BGSU network, you can install this. If you are on a Mac device, you want to contact ITS so that they can do a live session with you where they can kind of take over your computer and install it for you. But currently, if you're on a PC, this is how to get it. All right, so now, once Camtasia is installed, it'll go through a whole lot of things to install it. Then you go ahead and click on your window again, and I'll start typing in Camtasia. I've installed it. What you want to do is use this Camtasia recorder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now you can see, let's see here, I've got this little recording dashboard. Let's just go ahead and do a screen recording. So let's say I have a PowerPoint I want to record for a class. I'm going to go ahead and click the record button, and it's going to give you a countdown. And anything that's on your screen will be recorded, okay? So now I'm recording all of this on my screen. I'm going to pull up my PowerPoint presentation that I want to create for my class. This is part of my bag of tricks. So I would full screen my presentation. It's this one. Now I'm going to go through and give my presentation. This is a really cool way to give a presentation online. Okay, going through my different things. When I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. So when I'm done recording my lecture, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click stop. So what it's going to now do is pull up my recording in the Camtasia editor suite. There we go. So now the video I just recorded is now in my editor suite. So there's different options you can do to edit your video recording. So for example, if there was something on the screen, maybe right here that I wanted blurred out, here it is. Under annotations, if there's an area you want to blur out of your screen, you can go ahead and click the blur tool. And then I believe you can just drag it and drop it over any part of your screen that you want to blur out. And then you will see a little space, this blur space goes right over this part of the video, right? So as things are moving around, you're going to want to just trim that to right where you want the blur to go. Okay. And you can see that I want. All right. Once you've got the video recording just the way you like it, one of the neat things about this is you can click the share button and you can download the video to your computer, or if you have a YouTube account, you can send it directly to YouTube. One great thing about sending it directly to YouTube is that YouTube automatically puts closed captioning on videos and does a pretty good job of getting it closed captioned for you. Let's go ahead and just download it locally. And then I'm going to hit next. You can probably use the default settings. And then title it This is where it's going. So it created a folder in documents called Camtasia. It's going to go inside of that folder. I'm going to click finish. Now it's going to be downloading it to that folder. And if you have questions about Camtasia, it is fully supported by the university, so you can contact ITS, the help desk. You can live chat with them or email them to get help with it. All right, thanks. Have a great day teaching.